This is what your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to get this macOS liquid class start menu style and taskbar style on Windows 11. So let's dive into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to get that liquid class start menu and taskbar style on Windows 11. First, you have to install this software called Windhoek and then open it, and then you will see an interface like this. Now click on browse for mods, and now we have to install the taskbar styler. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install, and then you need this script. I'll put the link in the description box or check pin comments, and then copy this complete script and wait until it's installing. Okay, installation has been done. Now click on advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Okay, now in here you have to go to settings tab and then taskbar height around 62 and icon, click on save. Okay, make it 70 and then click on save. And taskbar wide, make it 52 and then click on save. Okay, now click on taskbar and then click on taskbar settings and then click on taskbar behavior and make it center. Okay, this is the taskbar height and icon size settings, and now we have to install the start menu. Click on details and click on install and then click on install. Okay, now open start menu and then copy this complete script and then click on advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, if you see error like this, go to settings and enable disable new start menu layout and then click on save settings. Okay, this is it. This is how you can transform your Windows 11 start menu into liquid class start menu. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.